BetterHelp Online Therapy Membership app. The pros, the cons. You won't believe how accessible mental health support can be until you try BetterHelp. This online therapy platform connects you with licensed professionals from the comfort of your home. But is the membership worth it? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, BetterHelp provides flexible therapy sessions via messaging, phone or video, making it convenient for busy schedules. The app matches you with therapists based on your needs, and you can switch therapists if you don't feel it's the right fit. It's also more affordable than traditional in-person therapy, while maintaining professional credentials and confidentiality. Another advantage is the variety of communication options. You can send messages anytime and schedule live sessions at your convenience, offering a level of accessibility that traditional therapy rarely provides. The app also includes resources like worksheets and self-help exercises to complement sessions. On the downside, BetterHelp requires a subscription, which may be costly for some users. It's also not a replacement for emergency mental health care, so in cases of severe depression or crisis, you'll need professional in-person support. Some users may find that the online format lacks the personal connection of face-to-face therapy. In conclusion, BetterHelp is ideal for anyone seeking flexible, affordable, and professional mental health support. It works best for ongoing counseling, stress management, or personal growth. If you want convenience and access to licensed therapists, it's a solid choice. However, it's important to recognize its limits in crisis situations. Overall, BetterHelp makes therapy more accessible and manageable for modern lifestyles.